Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML input types, and right now we'll be discussing about the HTML input type of search. The HTML input type of search is used for search fields. A search field behaves like a regular text field. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. So let's get back to our document. So right here we have discussed about the range input, all that, right? In our previous tutorial, let me show you what we got so far. We have discussed about the range input, value input, step input, submit input, everything, all these things, submit query input, all this reset input, min max input, number input, and so on and so forth. We have specified a lot. We have discussed about it a lot. You can take our HTML form playlist or our HTML input type playlist to be able to follow along. So quickly, let me show you another thing, which is search input. Let's create a label. Let's give it search. So input search. So here again, search. Let's give it search input. So let's do it like this, and quickly you can use it only like this for now. As you all know, the benefits of using the name and ID. So let's br tag times 2. So let's reload our document. Can you see we're having this? So when we want to search, you can use it to search something. Let's say we are looking for anwar in our whatsoever server or whatsoever, to search through from the server. So this is so important. In our future tutorial, we are still going to talk about it much better, because there's no way I can let you know how this feels very well until we use it in our server, so you can be able to understand what it's meant for. You can call this your own. You can call it T server, top 10 server. So give it ID if you like. You can give it ID, top 10 server, top 10 search, T search. And we can take the value also. Don't forget, using our name attribute here, our T search input, input. You can call it T search input. So just to take the search, whatever they are searching for, you are going to take it and run it in your server. Let's reload our document and submit this anwar that we have inside our search input right here. Can you see we are having a T search input? So in the future tutorial, we are still going to discuss about it better. Anwar akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next tutorial. Bye bye.